Welcome to our Intro to Product Detail pages. If you've ever visited the Amazon store, you've seen a product detail page. It's where the information for a particular product lives, including its title, images, and about this item bullets. You might not yet know, however, that we attach all sellers' offers for a product to a single product detail page. That makes it easier for customers to find, compare, and purchase items. And it saves sellers from having to recreate pages that are already part of the Amazon catalogue. We include all variations for size, colour, pattern, and other attributes on a product detail page too, so customers can easily choose between versions of a product. As an Amazon seller, your ability to create or suggest an update to a product detail page depends on your relationship with the product being listed. So does your ability to match an offer to a product detail page. If a product is part of a brand enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, only 3 types of sellers can create its product detail page and suggest updates for accuracy: the original rights owner who enrolled the brand, other sellers verified as internal to the brand, and resellers authorized by the brand. After the product is listed, other sellers can then match offers to the product detail page. They may be required to complete a brand selling application first in order to request approval for the registered brand. If a product is part of a brand not enrolled in Brand Registry, the product owner can request to create a product detail page by responding to error code 5665. They receive that error when they first try to list the product using their unregistered brand name, and can follow links in the error message to request an exception to Amazon's usual brand name policy. If an exception is granted and the product detail page is created, other sellers are then able to match offers to that page. Each seller who matches can suggest updates for accuracy. Finally, if a product is generic, meaning it doesn't have a permanent brand name or logo affixed, its product detail page can be created by the product owner by using generic as a brand name value during the listing process. After the page is created, other sellers can match offers, and each seller who matches an offer can suggest updates for accuracy. Note that in some cases, sellers are also required to complete a selling application for a product or category before they can create, suggest updates, or match offers to a product detail page. If that's necessary, you'll be prompted to complete that application during the listing process. Also note that regardless of the product, category, or brand, Amazon reviews product detail page information when new pages are requested. We also review suggested updates to ensure that they're contributing to the accuracy of a page. When updates are verified, they appear in the Amazon store within 24 hours. Although all sellers match offers to the same product detail page in the Amazon store, each seller gets to provide unique offer information. They can name a specific price, note the physical condition of the exact item they're selling, or include other seller or item-specific information, like handling times or shipping options. Let's review the key elements of a product detail page, as well as some general guidelines you want to follow if you create or suggest updates to one. Before you create a product detail page, make sure that you also review the relevant category style guide, which you can find by searching Seller Central Help pages. The first element of a product detail page is a product title or name. A good title describes the product clearly and succinctly and helps drive searches. When you create a title, include the brand and product type. For variations, include colour, size, or other descriptive information. Be concise, using no more than the recommended number of characters and spaces listed in the style guide for the product's category. Capitalize the first letter of each word if it isn't a preposition like in or with, a conjunction like and or for, or an article like a or the. Use numerals instead of words for phrases like 2-pack or 250 milliliters. Abbreviate measurements like cm for centimeter and ml for milliliters. It's also important to remember what not to do when creating a title. Don't include pricing or other seller-specific information. Don't include promotional phrases or subjective commentary like hot item or bestseller. Don't use all caps. Don't use non-language or decorative characters. Images are another key element of any product detail page. They grab the attention of customers and provide visual information about a product. Every product detail page requires at least one main image, which is displayed as customers search. We recommend adding other images to show the product in use at different angles or with different features engaged. When you select images, show the product against a white background. This is required for main images. Have the product fill 85% or more of the frame. Use professional photographs whenever possible, especially for main images. Use images that are at least 1000 pixels on the longest side. 1600 pixels or more works even better for zooming in on a product. Upload JPEG if possible, though you can also use TIFF or static GIF files. For women's and men's clothing, show the product on a human model, especially for main images. Make sure you don't use blurry or pixelated images. Don't use images with accessories or props. Don't include text, logos, borders, color blocks, watermarks, or other graphics. For kids and baby clothing, don't show the product with a human model. To help customers evaluate products, we list key attributes just below the product title. This quick glance overview often includes brand name, dimensions, and color, but can also include other details that help distinguish one product from others in the same category. Amazon picks the most significant product attributes and includes them in the product overview section automatically. Below the list of attributes, we provide bullets with top-line product qualities in an About This Item section. These bullets help highlight a product's design, special features, or various uses. When you create About This Item bullets, start with a 1 or 2 word description, then offer an explanation in 100 characters or fewer. Use fragments. No need to write full sentences. Capitalize the first letter of each bullet. Make sure you also follow the same list of don'ts used for product titles. Don't include pricing or quantity information. Don't include seller-specific information. Don't include promotional phrases or subjective commentary. Don't use all caps. Don't use non-language or decorative characters. The last major element that sellers provide for a product detail page is a product description, which can be up to 2000 characters and include images. Your product description is an opportunity to help customers imagine owning your product. When you create one, describe major features like size and style, and illustrate how the product is used. Use complete sentences. Include dimensions, care instructions, and warranty information. Discuss the features and benefits of the product, focusing on unique properties. Make sure you also follow the same list of don'ts used for product titles and About This Item bullets. This concludes our intro to product detail pages. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!